Hello, there. Today, we are going to review pattern 2 sentences. In pattern 2 sentences, we have the subject, the verb, and the complement. Let's get started.
Pattern 2 sentences, subject plus, verb plus complement. For the complement, you can use a noun or an adjective. If you have a noun for the complement, it refers to the same person or thing as the subject. If you have an adjective for the complement, it describes the state of the subject. Now, let's look at the note on the right side of the page.
In pattern 2 sentences, you can't always translate word for word from English to Korean. It's crucial to understand which verbs require complements and how they translate into Korean. I've categorized these verbs into 3 groups. The first one in red consists of be and become. The second group in green describes sensory perceptions and appearances.
Feel, tactile sensations or emotional states. Look, visual appearance or perception. Smell, perceptions of odors. Taste, perceptions of flavors. Sound, auditory sensations or perceptions of sounds.
Let's start with be and become. You'll see be and become used most commonly for pattern 2 sentences at the middle school level of English.
Tom is a doctor.
Tom, subject, is the person the sentence is about. Is, verb connects Tom to a doctor. A doctor, complement identifies the subject.
The movie is interesting.
The movie, subject, is what the sentence is about. Is, verb, is the linking verb. Interesting, complement describes the subject. Now, shall we make sentences using be and become?
1. The house is cozy. 2. The soup is salty. 3. My uncle is a policeman.
Tom became a doctor. The movie became interesting.
1. Jimmy became an engineer. 2. Dad got tired. 3. The sky became cloudy.
Remember, be and become should have complements after them. If be means existence, it doesn't need a complement though.
On this page, you'll have some sentences with feel, look, smell, taste, sound to describe sensory perceptions or appearances.
Does the blanket feel soft?
The blanket feels soft.
Does the elderly lady look sad?
The elderly lady looks sad.
Does the cake smells delicious?
The cake smells delicious.
Is the steak tough?
The steak is tough.
Does the music sound calming?
The music sounds calming.
Does the water feel cold?
The water feels cold.
Does the book look interesting?
The book looks interesting.
Does the food smell rotten?
The food smells rotten.
Does the kimchi taste sour?
The kimchi tastes sour.
Do the birds sound cheerful?
The birds sound cheerful.
Before we move on to the next page, make sure you've got these verbs memorized as pattern 2 verbs.
Lastly, guys, let's get some more practice with the verbs on the right.
The flower appears wilted.
The flower doesn't look wilted.
Stay calm.
Don't get panicked.
The children grew curious.
The children didn't grow curious.
The sky remains cloudy.
The sky doesn't remain cloudy.
The book seems boring.
The book doesn't seem boring.
The problem turned more complex.
The problem didn't turn more complex. The sentences we made here might have better choices available. These sentences are just for grammar practice.
Well done, you all. I'll see you next time with Day 2 Review C. Bye!